SmartGit Getting Started. We're going to show you how to start with SmartGit, a multi-platform client with light and dark theme as you prefer. SmartGit is basically 3 clients from which you can choose. The standard window offers a best practice interface, ideal for users who are not yet deeply familiar with Git. Repositories are managed via tabs. The history mode shows the repository state, including branches, tags, and stashes, with corresponding commits visualized in the graph. The right area displays commit contents, including a file-level diff at the bottom. A dedicated local files mode supports working tree operations. Commit messages are composed in the right area. Second, the log window is built for power users who need complete control over every aspect of Git. The left area lists all repositories. The branches view provides access to branches, tags, stashes, and other refs with fine-grained control over the central graph. The right area displays commit details and changed files, including a file-level diff in the changes view. The working tree is accessible via a dedicated node in the graph. Commit messages are composed in the right area. And finally, the working tree window. It is ideal for users with a file-centric workflow and is especially helpful when working with submodules. The left area lists repositories and their directory structures. The branches view provides access to branches, tags, and stashes. The center area displays working tree files across all submodules with a file-level diff in the changes view. Commit messages are composed in the right area. The journal view shows the latest commits. We'll go with the standard window. Cloning a repository. SmartGit automatically detects existing repositories on our computer. We're going to clone a new one. We can clone from any URL or select repositories from popular providers like GitHub. SmartGit includes a master password protected local credential storage. We choose not to use a master password, since we'll store only less sensitive OAuth tokens. SmartGit will automatically retrieve an OAuth token without requiring our GitHub password and lets us select our repository. Now all our GitHub repositories will appear in a list. After cloning, SmartGit optionally can act as a credential helper for the Git command line. Now, our new clone appears in a separate tab. Exploring the SmartGit interface. With the repository on our machine, here's a short introduction to the standard window. On the left, we find the My History list showing our local branches. With the All Branches view, we have access to all remote branches and tags. We check out an existing branch by double-clicking. The branch appears in My History, and the graph displays the commit structure. To start working on a new feature, we create a new branch from master. We use a prefix like feature/ and enter a new branch name. SmartGit immediately creates and checks out the branch locally, but it is not yet pushed to GitHub. Making changes and creating a pull request. When SmartGit detects new external changes, it automatically switches to the local changes mode, ready to commit. We begin by staging a line to fix a typo in the README file. While typing the commit message, Ctrl+space allows to complete file names. Our other change of the README file goes into a second commit. We then commit the remaining changes directly, without staging. Once all local changes are committed, SmartGit switches back to the history mode. We push the branch to GitHub, which is immediately reflected in the graph. To complete the workflow, we create a pull request. SmartGit opens the pre-filled pull request page on GitHub, which we confirm. Now others can review it. Finally, we pull. And a few moments later, our pull request appears. The pull request in the graph connects our commits and the branch they will be merged into. Now you are prepared to get started. Give SmartGit a try yourself and follow us on YouTube.